Useless things you can do with Python. Here's how you can win any type race and beat your friends on TypeRacer using just a little bit of programming. Step 1. Open any text editor or IDE, I'm using PyCharm here, and start writing code. We're using some Python libraries that will help recognize the text in an image and actually simulate the keyboard keys in typing. Once you have the code, go ahead and type the run command, but don't run the program yet. Now go ahead and open play.typeracer.com and start a race with your friends. Once the race is about to begin, take a screenshot of the text and save the image in the same folder where your script is. Now all we need to do is run the script. Run the script and quickly go to the browser and put your cursor in the text box. You will see that the cursor will start typing automatically. Oops, I guess the typing speed was 120 words per minute and the website thinks that if you type more than 100 words per minute, you're probably a robot, so let's fix this. Alright, to fix this problem, we will just quickly go and increase the time the program takes to type each word. This way, our typing speed will be reduced by a little bit. We can modify the value and see which value gives you the best results. Okay, so we'll let our program run, and as we can see, our program is working and we were able to get 82 words per minute using this program. And one more thing, this video is only a demo. The installation instructions and guide is on my GitHub page and my blog, so check it out and all the links are in the description. Alright guys, thanks for watching.